Let's continue the mensuration chapter, children. This is exercise 9.4, the problems based on volumes of cuboid, cube and cylinder. Let us consider the first problem in which diameter of a cylinder A is 7 centimeter. Height is 14 centimeter. Then diameter of cylinder B is 14 centimeter. Height is 7 centimeter. Find the cylinder with greater volume. So it is clear from the problem that we need to find out the volume of cylinder A and volume of cylinder B. To find the volume of cylinder, the formula is equal to pi r square h. So we need to find out the value of radius from the diameter. So we know that to find the radius, we have diameter divided by 2 formula. For the cylinder A, the diameter is equal to 7 divided by 2. Therefore, write here 7 by 2 centimeter. Height is given, that is equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore, we will find the volume of cylinder A. Apply the formula. We have V equal to pi r square h. Then substitute the values for the cylinder A. Pi 22 by 7 into radius, we got 7 by 2. Since the radius is square, 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height, that is 14. 7 and 7 get cancels. So we have 2 ones are 2. 2 sevens are 14. Then 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Therefore, in the next step, 11 into 7 into 7. Therefore, 11 sevens are 77 into 7. 7 sevens are 49, 4 is remaining, again 7 sevens are 49 plus 4, we will get 539 centimeter cube. Therefore, the volume of cylinder A will be equal to 539 centimeter cube. Now, we need to find out the volume of cylinder B. Diameter is 14 centimeter. Now we have to find out the radius. We know that r is equal to diameter divided by 2. Therefore, the value of diameter in cylinder B is 14 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14. Therefore, the radius value will be equal to 7 centimeter. Height is given, that is equal to 7 centimeter. Again, we have the same formula, that is V equal to pi r square h. So, 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. 7 and 7 get cancels. So, 22 into 7 sevens are 49. Now multiply 22 into 49. 9 twos are 18, 1 remaining. Again 9 twos are 18 plus 1, 19. We have 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8. Therefore 8, 9 plus 8, it is 17. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 8, it will be equal to 1078. 1078 centimeter square. Therefore, the volume of cylinder B will be equal to 1078 centimeter square. Now, compare the values of volume of cylinder A and volume of cylinder B. Therefore, the cylinder with greater volume will be equal to 1078 centimeter square, that is the volume of cylinder B. Therefore, cylinder B has a greater volume of 1078 centimeter square when compared to the volume of cylinder A, which is equal to 539 centimeter cube. Second problem. Find the height of a cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter square and volume is 900 centimeter cube. We have here base area of a cuboid equal to 180 centimeter square. We know that cuboid is made up of a rectangle and hence area of the rectangle will be equal to length into breadth. Therefore, we have base area of cuboid, that is length into breadth, equal to 180 centimeter square. Then volume of a cuboid is given, that is equal to 900 centimeter cube. We need to find out the height of a cuboid. To find height of a cuboid, we have the formula for the cuboid, that is equal to L into B into H. So the formula V equal to L into B into H, substitute the values. Volume is equal to 900 into together length and breadth, that is the base area, together will be equal to 180 into H. So we need to find out the value of H, that will be equal to 900 divided by 180. So that 0 and 0 get cancels. 90 divided by 18 is equal to H. 19 18 goes by 9 table. 9 ones are 9 twos are 18, 9 tens are 90. So we have 10 divided by 2 equal to H. 2 ones are 2 fives are. Therefore, height H is equal to 5 centimeter. Therefore, the height of the cuboid will be equal to 5 centimeter. Next problem. A go down is in the form of a cuboid of measures 60 meter into 40 meter into 30 meter. How many cuboidal boxes can be stored in it if the volume of one box is 0.8 meter cube? So, in the problem, length of a go down is given, that is equal to 60 meter. Breadth or width of the go down, that is equal to 40 meter. Then height equal to 30 meter. Volume of one box is equal to 0.8 meter cube. Now, we have to find out the volume of a go down. So, the formula will be equal to V equal to L into B into H. Formula to find the volume of a cuboid. Substitute the values. 60 into 40 into 30. First multiply 6 into 4. 6 fours are 24. 24 into 3. So you get 24 into 3, 72. Then count the zeros. You have 3 zeros. Therefore, the volume of go down will be equal to 72,000 meter cube. Therefore, volume of go down is equal to 72,000 meter cube. Now, we have to find out number of boxes that can be stored in the go down. To find this number of boxes that can be stored in the go down, we have to divide volume of go down divided by volume of one box. For the simplification, let us take volume of go down as 60 into 40 into 30. That is length, width, height of the go down divided by volume of one box. We know the volume of one box is equal to 0.8 meter cube. Now let us take 60 divided by 0.8. It goes by 2. That is 0.2. How much are 8? 2 4s are 8. Here 2 3s are 6. 0. Now to further simplify, let us take 40 divided by 0.4. So that we will get 0.4 ones are 4 and 4 tens are 40. Therefore, we have 30 into 10 into 30 divided by 0.1. We know that 30 into 30 into 30, it will be equal to 900 into 10 divided by 0.1. In the next step, 900 into 10, it will be equal to 9000 divided by 0.1. We have after the decimal point 1, only one digit. So, in order to remove this decimal point in the denominator, put one 0 in the numerator so that this decimal point gets removed. Therefore, it will be equal to 90,000 divided by 1. That will be equal to 90,000, and hence number of boxes that can be stored in the go down will be equal to 90,000. Next problem, find the height of the cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter cube and diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. So, this centimeter has to be converted into meters. We know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, then 140 centimeter is how many meters? On cross multiplying, we get 140 divided by 100. 0 and 0 get cancels. We have 14 divided by 10. So, 10, 14. So, we have 10 ones are 10. The remaining is 4. 4 is lesser than 10. Put one decimal point, take 0. 10 4s are 40. Therefore, the diameter will be equal to 1.4 meter. Now, we have to find out the radius. We know that radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. That is 1.4 divided by 2. So, 1.4. Performing the division, 1 is lesser than 2. So, take 0 point so that it will be 14. We know that 2 sevens are 14. Therefore, the radius value will be equal to 0.7 meter. 0.7 meter. Now we have to find out the height of the cylinder. To find out the height of the cylinder, we have the volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Let us substitute the values. P equal to pi r square h. We have volume equal to 1.54 is equal to pi 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 0.7 into h. On further simplification, 7 ones are 7, 0 point, here you have again 7, it goes by 7, 7 ones are 7. Therefore, we have 1.54 is equal to 22 into 0.1 into 0.7 into h. In the next step, let us multiply 0.1 into 0.7. 7 ones are 7, 7 zeros are 0. 0 ones are 0, 0 zeros are 0. Therefore, 7, 0, 0. Here, after the decimal point, we have two digits here. In 0.7, it is one digit. In 0.1, again it is one digit. So, 1 plus 1, two digits. Therefore, in the answer, after the two numbers, take the decimal point. Therefore, it will be equal to 0.07. 1.54 is equal to 22 into 0.1 into 0.7. We got 0.07 into h. So 0.07 into 22. 2 sevens are 14. 1 remaining. 2 zeros are 0 plus 1. 2 zeros are 0. Again we have the same value, that is 4 1 0. 4 4 plus 1 5. 1 plus 0, it is 1 0. So after the decimal point we have two digits. Therefore in the answer, after the two numbers, let us put a decimal point. Therefore 1.54 is equal to 22 into 0.07. We got the value that will be equal to 1.54 into h. We need to find out the value of h. Therefore h is equal to 1.54. This number, while coming to the left side, it becomes divided by 1.54. Therefore 1.4 get cancels, the remaining value, therefore height is equal to 1 meter. Therefore the height of the cylinder h is equal to 1 meter is the answer. This is about the mensuration chapter, children. Thank you.